Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making some lavender bath salts. So to make lavender bath salts, I'm going to need 2 cups of Epsom salt, 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil, and I'm going to be using coconut oil, and then just some lavender oil, or any essential oil of your choice. So to start off, I have to make a pot boiler, so I just have 2 bowls here, one's bigger than the other. And then in the bigger bowl, I'm going to pour some boiling water. You can also do this on the stove, but I just find this is easier. Anyway, so then you just place the bowls together, and then the top bowl will warm up. And then you're going to want to add your carrier oil first. You don't have to do this if you use fractionated oils. But I'm using non-fractionated coconut oil. So, need 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to scoop some out. Okay, and then the coconut oil just starts to melt. Maybe. You can, it's kind of starting to turn into a liquid. Stir it until it's all liquefied. Now you can see the coconut oil is all clear and melted. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of Epsom salts. And then I'm going to add a couple drops of lavender essential oil. I'm just going to do 1 drop at a time and then see how strong it is. I'm going to stir it all together. That actually has a pretty strong scent, so. add, we'll start add another dab and see where that goes. I don't want it to be too strong. So I just bought these mason jars from Walmart, and then I'm gonna make little labels for them, and then I'm gonna like make another one for ingredients, but I'll do that later. I'm just gonna fill the mason jar up. These are just gonna be really good because of the lavender. It'll be really calming. It'll be really good for like a nighttime bath. And there you go. I would probably use half of it, maybe. Maybe I'd use all of it. I'll have to see. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm also going to be making some other things out of essential oils in the future. So please give this video a big like and subscribe for more. Thanks everybody. Bye!